You were involved in an accident because of someone else's carelessness, and you hire an attorney, but now the attorney's not communicating with you. And now you're losing trust and faith in the attorney, even though you know you have a good, valid case. What are your options at that point? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. There are some injured victims in this situation who feel, I can't go to anybody else because now it's going to be a whole big deal to take my file and then transfer it to another attorney. It's as if they think they're starting over from scratch. The reality is that it's not. It's actually very easy when you transfer to go from one lawyer to another. And let me explain the process. You see, if you believe that you have a significant injury as a result of someone else's carelessness, and now you've gone to an attorney who you thought would be perfect, but for whatever reason, now you've lost trust. There's a lack of communication. There's a problem going on. And now you decide, you know what? I think it's time to switch attorneys. Well, guess what? You can do that. You can do that anytime you wish. From when you first start the case all the way up until the time where you reach trial. You have an absolute right to select which attorney you want to represent you. But now I do have to share something important with you. You should know that when you decide to switch attorneys, the only thing you have to do is you go to your next attorney who's willing to take on your case, you sign a couple of pieces of paper that basically says, hey, Mr. Attorney number one, I want you to stop all work that you're doing. And now I want you to arrange with attorney number two to transfer over all my files. And that's pretty simple. And the reality is that the attorney number two simply has to reimburse attorney number one for all of his medical records and all the things that he has paid so far, so that now he can release those records to your new attorney. Now I have to tell you that when you choose to go to attorney number two, there's still only one attorney's fee. But all that means is that now the attorney number one will have to get some percentage, and attorney number two will have to get some percentage, depending upon what the ultimate result is. Now, typically, attorney number one and attorney number two will have to get together and agree on their respective percentages of what each attorney is entitled to. And that will depend upon how much legal work was actually done by attorney number one and what results, if any, attorney number one has been able to achieve so far. But really, that's nothing for you to get involved in. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because if you have an accident matter and you're told that you have significant injury because of someone else's carelessness, and you chose to start with another attorney, and now you've lost trust with that original attorney, you have every right and every opportunity to go hire another attorney. And I realize you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your particular matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.